Maxi, but mm, you see how much of a professional I'm being right now. Yeah. Just looking at this volume, fucking incredible volume.
Good morning, guys. Okay, so yeah, let's start with the news today. So today, in terms of news, at 7 a.m. we have some Swiss news and then some Euro news, but nothing that's really going to be that much of a interest to us because, they're all yellow folders, right? Yellow folders means that the news is a little bit weak. It doesn't really move the market that much. That's fine. Nothing much there that you need to worry about. 130 housing starts, but yeah, there's nothing much there really. In terms of GJ had its first bearish closure. Wow, first bearish closure since the 12th of June, and now it's made its top wick. So finally, maybe some sort of retracements will be needed on GJ soon. 4-hour time frame just closed very, very bearish, rejecting the high again at 182. Okay, hourly 30-minute 15. If you take a look here, we can start to make a little bit of analysis of what we want here. So GJ pushed up. Yeah, GJ's moved a lot through Asia, man. GJ has moved a lot through Asia. It did come to a little bit of a minor support there, 181, 180. I think the easiest trade though for me. Oh, that is not what I wanted. Is this support down here? If we break 181.032, I think the filling of that wick and then continuing down here to 667 is going to be the easiest area to take sells, I think. Okay, that's pretty standard sell as well. That's what we've been taking for the past couple of years. A nice sell below support to continue to retest the previous supports. Okay, so that'll probably happen later on. So that's fine. In terms of buys though, buys are going to be again still a little bit on the harder side because we're at all high time frame highs. So yeah, I don't think I would look for the buys here. But wow, Asian just moved a lot. I saw Raja took another trade. He took a sell there at like fucking 11 o'clock. Like, what the fuck? His trades are getting more outlandish than before. Like, he took a trade here, I think. Why is he taking a trade at 11? Anyway, it held it, shock, and it ran all the way down. Fair enough. So yeah, Goldie came down through Asia and then it came back up. Looks like it's made its little range here. Let's take a look at the higher time frames. Still in this range. It's been in this range for the whole of June, sorry. Which is fine, but it's just hard to get breakout trades there. You just gotta play the range as we discussed yesterday. That's the daily flip here. The 4-hour time frame. Previous one was very, very small. Actually, the previous 3 4-hour time frames are very, 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 very small. But yeah, these are how that 4 hours look. The 4 hours is bearish. The daily is bearish. Bearish looks a little bit better than bullish right now. In terms of actual overall zones, yeah, we do have a lot of support where we've bounced off here. See in this area here, 1946, and then the traffic actually below is not really the nicest. We got little bit of traffic. I mean, if you got a closure below 1946, could you push down? I mean, there's a little bit of wicks there to 43. You might be able to push down to here. I don't think it's the nicest, to be honest with you. I think the easiest place to take sells is going to be below this support here, okay? Because if you look below here now, if you look below this support, we've got such a clean zone. But I think that'll be much easier for us to take a trade in. So let me put this on there. Sells below. $19.40.76. Okay, easy sells. Sorry, 70.76. Sorry, 40.76. If you wanted to take the sells below here, below 1946, I mean, does it make sense in the higher time frame? Yeah, to get down to the support, I think it could be okay. It's just the little supports here you're going to be a little careful for. You can maybe do like that. But then you do have supports there with this news. But that was news push, to be fair, at 7 o'clock. So looking at it, you might be able to take, 1946 to 1940 as well, if you fancy it. And that would be to get down to the support. So yeah, I think that could be okay. I'll say risk yourselves. Okay, so beautiful stuff. And then buys, in terms of buys, obviously the overall zone that we're in right now, this is the resistance, which is there, 1953. And yeah, I mean, could you take the buys above 1954 to continue? Well, they do push up pretty aggressively to 1958. Okay. Yeah, it's very clean up there, to be honest. So yeah, I wouldn't mind taking the buys above as well. Coming into this previous zone and filling up that range again. It's a celery buy on GJ. I don't like those 5-minute candles. They're very slow. And also, if you actually look at the celery, it's right next to 30-minute support there. I actually watched this morning. Yeah, it's right out of previous support, so it could act as resistance there. I don't get Raj's trade. Yeah, me too, man. What the fuck? Like, he took a sell like up here at resistance again, and then just held it. But he took it like 11 o'clock, which is what I don't get. Dude's mad, man. He's a mad man. Let's go here. So yeah, I think a lot of gold opportunities today. The sells below look good, the buys above look good, so we'll wait for that. I think that'll be pretty nice. And that's just done, really. That's just done. Pretty simple this morning. I hope you guys are doing well. You bullish or bearish on GJ? I think, still bullish. We still have a major support of 181277. Yeah, I think I'm bullish if we're above all this area. If bearish, maybe when we get below 8181. But right now, we're still just playing in this range now. It's made quite a big range here. So yeah, currently in a buy gold W formation. Oh, see, maybe yeah. Was it at support? Nearly there, yeah. Tapped it, I suppose. Very nice. So yeah, Asian session moved a lot for pound yen. Bro, how was it yesterday? I bought Euro NZD and Euro Chuff. Very nice. Yesterday was okay. We did go down for NY, but there was nothing much really. We kind of just sit around. Yeah, after here, like 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, we just kind of hovered here. Retest. It did get back down, but the volume is very, very low. Yes, so that's a good example of a bank holiday where it's like, yeah, you know what, this may be a little bit not bullish enough. Federal holiday in the States, yeah, it's a big bank holiday day, and that's what normally you get with it. So it's good to just, I mean, what you can either do 2 days. You can either just miss the day, or just be a little bit calm and a bit more reserved with it. That's just ridiculous, that how it pushed all the way back up to 82 again. 182. Would you take those risky sells in gold? Potentially, depending on the closures, yeah. Yeah, it's a little bit hard to. The only thing I like is that the 30-minute looks like it. You know, we do push down, but it isn't the cleanest. I'm not gonna lie. I am not going to lie. We'll see. Because they're more likely to reject. Yeah, I mean, if you look here, we've rejected a couple of times there. It's not the cleanest. That's why I said it's riskier. I think the zone is big enough to maybe get your trade. That's why I'm looking at it, but it isn't the cleanest zone. Yeah, it looks like GJ here is just struggling a little bit. Struggling a little bit. Let's put that up there. Would you take this? How are you comment on Uncle Ted's endangerment? I don't know. I don't know nothing about it. I bet you right now, Roger is getting pissed off about everyone asking him questions, but yeah, that's what happens. Like, imagine that, like, you're not involved at all, but you're like mates with someone and they do something wrong, like, you get so much shit for it. Like, it wasn't even me, bro. Oh, you believe Roger Banks is scabber? No, I don't think he is. I think some of his trades now are hard to follow, to be honest with you. I don't. He's taking sells at resistances now, like you'd never normally do that. But it's working. It's working. 15 likes, guys. Make sure you like the stream up. Roger banking a businessman now. Although newbies don't know Roger Banks. Yeah, it's true. Not like back in the day. In terms of the 50% as well, are we kind of below that? Yeah, let's take a look. 78. Yeah, it's gonna be right there, isn't it? So we'll have to see. Like when I used to watch that man everyday live trade for 2 years. Yes. Me too. Me too. Good morning, Van. Hope you're doing well. Nearly 7 o'clock now, so we'll see how these hourlies close. This GJ is really struggling to break. You can see in the 5 minute candles are struggling. I don't want to be offensive, but how can he be legit while taking risky trades offline and hold drawdown and TP to the T, but in the stream he manages risk on pullbacks? Yeah, I don't know. No point in focusing on other people, you know, you just gotta focus on yourself. Just focus on yourself. You know, it doesn't really matter. You can take tips from them if you want, but like, it's just like that, you know, it's the same as a gym. Someone could be juicing up, and you're like, what, how am I not as big as him? You guy's cheating, but realistically, is it going to affect you? No, so there's no need to worry about it. When you start focusing on yourself, that shit helps tremendously. Don't just focus on others. June been a bad month for me. Yeah, me too, bro. So don't worry about it. Well, I don't know if I would have been here for the week and a half that I missed. I still think it wasn't the easiest. How did you wake up so early? I didn't really today. I woke up at like 5:45 and then said I'll start the stream at 6:30. Yeah, I've been seeing recently, man. I think the start up way too early for me is just not good enough. I just get too tired for the whole day. So I may bring it back up to 7 o'clock. If I actually look at the total trades taken, I always miss the morning ones anyway. They always start at fucking 6 a.m. So if I actually look at overall trades, yeah, there's been a couple, but mainly at 7. You know. Good morning, Max. I see you. Oh, you see the Bitcoin pump? Yeah, a little bit of a pump. Not bad, not bad. I want to get 5 minute M on gold before I was getting rejected so hard. Is that okay to trade? Max, I want to get the 5 minute M on gold. Yeah, if it what now here? Oh, there. Yeah, I can see that one. Was that resistance? Yeah, it wasn't the highest of resistances, but I see what it was. Yeah. Stop loss is very, very tight. Yeah, stop loss is very tight there. was decent. Yeah, it would have worked out nicely. Right at the start of the day as well. Stuff. I don't like it when the stop loss is very, very small there. It doesn't give you much hope. No, not much room. Going to join the mentorship soon. Today's first day getting up to make London session is a regular thing. Very nice. Yeah, man. London session normally brings out a lot of goods. I haven't taken any NY trades this month. Apart from one. One break even. There hasn't been many this month. To be fair though, guys, the June last year was also fucking shit. It's always a little bit slow, which is a bit of a shame on my birthday month, but whatever. Well, it's Connor's birthday. We should say happy birthday to Connor. Would you look be at top wick on the sells? 1945.7 for gold. I have sells a similar level. Yeah, I'd want to go break even. To be fair, not pretty much anywhere. Anywhere I can get my hands on. So just basically get into a bit of profit and then. Assuming 1940 might be more off the rip, yeah, 1940 cells would just be clean cells below. Oh, actually, let me just take a look and see. Yeah, I don't know why I put 1940, actually, sorry guys. There's a lot of support there, I'd want it further below. Yeah, 1940 would not be. It's below 1939. Yeah, 1939.9, 1940. There is some rejection wicks there. I'd want to go break even towards that low. But that's 20 pips to be fair. $39.9. Yeah, because if you look here, there's still, if you look like here, there's a lot of wicks there, and obviously there is wicks here, so I'd have to go a bit break even beforehand, but for the most part, it'd be fine below there. Do you prefer coffee or tea? Depends on the time of the day. I'd love some coffees now, but I hate my coffee machine. Caitlin, though, has bought me a new coffee machine, I think, for my birthday, so that was nice. That's very good. Oh, look at that volume kicking in on Goldie. Did GJ finally do it? It's still struggling, GJ, really badly. A 5-minute time frame. It's slow. So you can see the choppiness of this. So if you are at a level here, you just got to remember these candles here are not pretty nice. Small bodies, bullish, bearish. You know, changing overall trend. It's just not the easiest to take. So gold just broke and previous 30-minute highs. It's just got a little bit while to get to our buying zone. Right now it's just in the middle of our area. You just gotta wait. You just gotta wait for it. Every summer, GJ's slower and choppier. Yeah. GJ's been alright this year, man. 74% win rate on GJ. Gold's been the one that I've been struggling with, really. But that's why we've gone down to the 5 minutes to change that up. Same kind of thing for the 5-minute on Goldie here as well. Just not the easiest plays at the moment. Still bright and early though. You know, the hourly just closed here. Another bearish candle on Goldie. Still though, got a while to just get out of this range. I'd say here is just consolidating. Okay, this is consolidating. And you just gotta wait for a break above and a break below, and then you can start looking at taking some potential trades. Simple. 22 likes, guys. Make sure you like the stream up. Let's get them likes up, guys. Where's Eloy today? Where is he? Maybe he's not in yet. Still quite early, isn't it? Still quite early. And yeah, now because you've got your, you know, your buys, your sell zones, it's very, very easy to just sit in your hands and wait, and not get trapped in getting in too early. It's perfect remedy for it. Just set in your zones, and then just wait and talk about other stuff, you know. So yeah, I'm gonna put some of these disc plates up. Caitlin got me some of these disc plates. This one's sick. This one. So they're like metal things that you can like stick on. You can like attach it on the wall, but you can change them out, which is pretty cool.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning. Good morning. Look, I was just asking where you were. Good morning.
How's your day last day?
It was good, man. Yeah, just chilled out, relaxed.
How are you feeling today with 23?
Feel older, very old, too old, too damn old.
Oh my god, man, this gold looking disgusting.
Yeah, just consolidating right now in the zone, eh? But buys above 1953, sells below maybe 1945, and then sells below 1939. Let's get into this nick picking over here. Let's go on the 5 and see what we can really play with here.
Andrea, you are fresh.
Just came down at 4 o'clock. Still pushed down. Support. Let's push through. Let's pushed all the way up. Yeah, I think it's reasonable enough. There's only actually
Today the wedding here, I'm looking good.
You what?
The wedding outside looking like a summer.
It's been actually much cooler, I think.
But it's 14 outside.
14. 40. What are you saying, Andrea? All 23 and 26. What should I say? Max is a bit. Oh, sorry. Zoom is a bit loud, really? Put it all the way down. There. Now you guys can't hear the music. Interesting. YouTube, can you hear that background music or not? So my OBS is coming like you can't hear it. Yeah, it's fine. Okay. I'll just keep that down for the zoom. Nice. Hey Max, do you suggest always using full lots, or do you suggest to consensus you split up your lots? Yeah, I use a fixed percentage risk. But yeah, it's down to you, man. it's down to you and what you fancy doing. I mean, a lot of people do fixed lots because it's easy to kind of just know if you're up or down. I think I will probably go back to fixed lots once we have really aced the 5 minute. I think that'll be much easier to take trades on. But yeah, I think splitting up though, I haven't done splitting up. No, I haven't done splitting up. Sometimes I double risk them, but yeah, I don't really put like half on at one time and half on at another time. I normally just get in. How come my head's hurting again, man? For fuck's sake. Is there a free tool that does fixed percentages? Yeah, magic keys. Magic keys. If you use my code SLM, you get like 10% off as well. So make sure to go do that. How are the spreads looking this morning? Yeah, spreads looking decent. 1 pip. It's looking like maybe not the biggest. Yeah, I agree, Andrew. Yeah. It's not free lot. Oh, sorry. Yeah, it's not free, but it is £30. I mean, if you can't afford £30 and you're trading, then I don't think there's much need. I don't think there's a need for you to trade. Just look up positions. Yeah, but position size calculator. Do you have time to like, you know what I mean? If you're trying to enter a trade in the 5 minute or on the 15, you've got a second to get in, and you're there fucking typing in your position size calculator. Like that's just shit. I'd highly recommend Magic Keys. I don't give a shit if you use my link or not. I'm just saying you guys need it. Like, I could get into a trade with risk of 1.4% like right now. So it just gives you that flexibility. You know? So we've been hovering around here since 6 now. It's been an hour and 15. Not really doing too much at the moment, DJ. But yeah, you know, I always say this to people: don't get worked up on the slower months, because what tends to happen is the slower months, yeah, they're slow and whatever. Those slower months though could turn into a heavily losing month. And then if you take a losing month, the next month is most likely going to be quite a nice month, and then, you know, you can't make no money because you just lost it all in the last month. So it always goes like that, you know. You'll have like a smaller month, and, you know, let's say you make like 4% or less, you know. The next month could be, you know, 13, 14 if you're there. And because you've kept it at a nice, reasonable amount, or maybe even break even here, right? Then you're still on the path to success, but it's the issue is if you're like down like minus 10 here, and then, you know, you get 10 there and just break even, you know. Volume start today, maybe some London open volume finally. Yeah, exactly. And it's just keeping the consistency, man. Keeping the consistency and also, you know, innovating and improving every single day. We're bringing in, you know, a lot of the trades in the 5 minute, and we will start to take more of them once we've seen them. It's just right now there hasn't been too many in the past couple of weeks. But the one that we discussed yesterday was beautiful. It was just a bit unfortunate about no low wick. But the idea was correct, right? And that's the main thing, the idea being correct. If the idea is correct, then you can focus on getting in, as long as the idea works. That's the beauty of it. You can really hone in on it. Let me just look at Raj's trade again. Let me just analyze it. Another thing as well, analyzing other people's trades. You know, seeing how they you know, trade. always helps you, you know. I don't think this whole thing of like, oh, I'm a better trader than someone else, like that's just a stupid fucking narcissistic thing, you know. You need to look at and see, you know, what are they doing. So Raja took a buy there. Sorry, a sell there. So what time is that at? I think it's on the hourly. Oh, what the fuck? Where's that gone? I think he got in there. I mean, like, that is just madness, eh? 50-minute reflipping, rejecting, yeah, and just playing the range. Is it that one? No, it's up here. Ah, it's up here. Yeah, this one. I was thinking, I was looking at the wrong place. Okay, yeah, this is the one that he discussed. Okay. Yeah, we got that one before. I thought it was down here for like 11 o'clock. I was like, what the fuck? But nah, it wasn't. It was up here. The one he did yesterday. Just rejecting the resistance. But if you know that it's a bank holiday and looking like price is probably not going to break, you can play the range, you know. We were looking at W's there. You know, Raja just took a kind of fake out there. Very nice. Very nice. Oh my god, we finished Black Mirror Season 6, man. It's good stuff. I really did like it. I like how it's just always new every time and it's like something different. Oh, and a nice... What I've done recently is started to do is before I'd get up early in the morning and just run to the desk and just start, and like you can't do that really because you're not even like awake yet. So now I've been waking up and then just sitting in the bed for like, you know, 20-30 minutes, just waking up, you know, waking up. Whilst Caitlin next to me is sleeping. She's sleeping. Oh yeah, look at this, right? Let's give my girlfriend some credit today, okay? Caitlin got her end of year review. End of year review, right? Let's go through this. Let's just take a look at the chart for a second. Yeah, gold coming up, whatever. GJ doing nothing. Okay, so this is Caitlin's end of year review. Caitlin has made spectacular progress throughout the year. Caitlin has always presented on the surface as calm and competent. Over the last year, she has taken this to new heights, where she regularly operates at the level of an associate rather than a paralegal. That's mad. So an associate is someone above a training contract. Like, that's mad. The construction work that Caitlin has been asked to do has not been easy or straightforward, but Caitlin has dealt with it, all of this with aplomb. What the fuck is that? The rest of the team regularly assesses any problems with what would Caitlin do. That's fucking mad, that. Imagine your boss saying that to you, that everyone else in your team is asking what would Caitlin do. To say that Caitlin is a valuable member of the team will be greatly missed does not truly affect the esteem and affection that she has held in. Wow. It's amazing. I'm very, very proud of that. Yeah, she'll do well, man. She'll do well. I mean, that's mad. That already thinking of an associate. She's not. She's just a paralegal. She's the first ranking of the whole thing. Mad. Max, have you looked over to Don's new website? I haven't actually yet. I haven't. I have not. Think you need to spend some gold money on it? Gold needs to give me some fucking money, man. Hasn't given me much in a while. Does your girlfriend trade? Nah. No. She's not that kind of vibe. Wow, look at this gold, man.
Looking good. Good looking star. Wake up.
Start to wake up, yeah. I don't like how it's just one candle. It's doing a lot of that recently. It's doing a big move and then just doing nothing after. And I'm getting caught in the move, like nothing after. Can you see here? Massive move down and then just range the rest of the day. But we'll see. You'll see how it reacts when we come back above. You know, if this 30-minute closes in 9 minutes
I tried to trade in Asia yesterday.
Did you? Gold?
Yeah, I tried, but I don't see nothing and just go back to bed.
Yeah, a little bit harder, eh?
If you want a 10, 20 pips.
Could be okay. Where is Elohe? Not Elohe. Where's Kiko?
Kiko, go take a chocolate yesterday.
If I don't do my morning routine, I end up losing the first trade of the day. I watched the Beyond the Sea episode last night. That was mess lol. Which one was that one again? So my Black Mirror episodes were ranked in order of... I think the second one was the best, then the first one, then the third one, and then the other one's kind of like plateaued off. Aaron Paul one, yeah. That was where the one... Oh yeah, the ones were in space. Yeah, that was fucked up. Yeah, that was my third best one. Yeah, I knew that was gonna happen, man, straight away. I'm like, oh no. Oh well, I was also gonna think that maybe he would like not come back. What were they actually doing though? Like, what actually was it? Why were they on the spaceship? Like, why was it? Is it just like maybe a little bit more to the future where you can kind of teleport and shit? Think it was just a long machine. Yeah. Savvy. It was so good, that one. Yeah, it was good. You know, see the one with the werewolf though? I was not expecting that. Caitlyn wasn't at all. Well, I was like looking at it when it was like when she was like turning. I was like, oh my god. So she must have hit like a werewolf thing and it must have bit her or something. Wasn't it? Yeah. Oh. Random candle pushing up. Nice. I hope some people who are in the celery years are okay now. Didn't break the low of the previous, so you should still be in it. You know what I mean? Like this, this candle here, you can't really do much with it because it's just been arranged. One candle just pushed up on a 3-minute time frame. It's just nothing you can really get your hands into. You know?
GJ kill your brain today.
Yep. I'm just gonna have one song, because the issue actually with playing copyright is that my phone gets bombarded with copyright claims for like the fucking ages. We'll have one little Coldplay song. Love him for the weekend. Actually, we'll do 2. Fuck it.
He broke in the 41.27. We sell, no?
45 maybe, 45.7, and then 39.9. Yeah. But then also,
I talked about GJ.
Oh. Yeah, GJ's.
If he broke this area, we sell, no?
Yeah, below 181027.
Yeah, that's what they say.
Mhm.
This is what they say.
Yeah, boy. Yeah,
just
boy.
Prepared my.
It goes my GJ long after 2 hours and it moved. Oh no. Oh, you held for 2 hours and then just started moving. Yeah, that's a bit of a pain, man. Yeah, I mean, the only thing that you could have done is try and get in a little bit lower. River Trader. How much was the stops here? 30 pips.
30 pips.
For the W formation on the support down here, that would have been alright. I just can't get it up. Love this song, man. When the low, low, feeling drunk and so high. So yeah, a little minor resistance, minor support there. See how it reacts there. Gonna retest 182 again? Maybe. It does have a little resistance here though, and massive support there. So we'd have to break that first. Stars collide. Yeah, I think above 53 would be nice on Goldie. Above that support again. What Sneezing today. It's desperate to break up there. It's gonna come down soon. Looking at monthly. What, GJ? Or gold? Yeah, this gold's been just consolidating for a while, man. Like a whole month, pretty much. EJ, yeah, coming to the high again. Fucking hell. Wow. But EJ's back at the high again. Daily celery. Shoot across the sky. So today, what do you guys? This is what I always say in the mornings. You gotta go to yourself and go, what are you guys happy that you've got? What you guys appreciate of today? Today I'm appreciative of my beautiful eyes. I can see. People forget those little small things, and it's a shame because sometimes when it gets taken away from you, oof. Some people can't see, man. What the fuck? I appreciate my juicy ass, yes. Totally agree. I think life gets sometimes a bit too worked up and you forget about the small things. Or even the things that you just are used to now. Like, for example, I mean, I'm not talking about you South Africans because you guys are used to this. But, man, when the power goes out in the UK, it is literally like the weirdest feeling ever. I can't do fuck all. It's literally like it's emergency. Like, you'll know everyone because no one will do anything. Like, without electricity, there's fuck all. You gotta go back to speaking to people and shit. Wait, what was that, Andrea? Is this another Jordan Peterson? Nah, this is just me. How was your birthday, bro? What did you do? Nothing much, man. Just chilled. Caitlin made me some scran from HelloFresh and just watched some Black Mirror and played my game. Yeah. Just nice and chill. So EJ broke in the high. See if we can continue. Yeah, Dad's. I need to get this video off my dad. I don't know who actually posted it, but I don't know what camera it's filmed on, but it looks amazing. Look at this camera. Wait. Yeah. I'll zoom in. There's the Lambo. There's the Countach. That's cool, that. Yeah, that's the only time I speak to my neighbor is to ask whether they have electricity, or is it only me? Yeah, I was thinking about that. Like, when I get a house and I actually live in it, you know, I want to be friends with the neighbors, man. Trust me, after my 3rd year experience at uni, having a neighbor that hates you is an absolute pain in the ass. It's not a vibe in the slightest. It is actually one of the most painful experiences I've ever been in. I look at this GJ. This is why I don't really like getting in when you see such a big candle. It just sometimes, a lot of times, especially recently, it's been retracing. Let's move on the same block. Ah, calm effects. That shit would be that'd be fire. Go sky full of stars. That's some Coldplay bashes. I love Coldplay in the morning, man. Good morning, David, my man. Good morning, brother. Gold 5-minute fake out about to break back into the range for the sell. What, Goldie? Yeah. This is, for me, this is nothing that I want to really see in terms of a trade, you know. I want to see candles coming back above this zone. Then we can start to take this, because this zone above, we push very, very nicely above here. We've done it there, we've done it there. So we've pushed very, very nicely. Same thing for the sells below. If you actually look at the sells, this zone is maybe a little bit harder, but you can maybe get the drive and go break even very quickly. But then, yeah, below 39 is nice. Look at that GJ retracement. Damn! Has anyone seen the new Flash film? It looks like they've maybe overkilled it again. For fuck's sake. 7.4. Why have they gone back to like making shit fucking DC films? The past films have been great. They've got too many people in it, look. Right, they've got shitty Ben Affleck Batman, he's crap. So gold's potentially nearly breaking the 4-hour highs. But still, you know, you can see the higher time and see what they're doing, but for the most part, you know that the lower time frames is just consolidating here till you get to 1953. GJ flip. What if this breaks the high? My universe. Yeah, you could do. It's a big little wick, that, eh? You make my world right upside. That's how I caught a move yesterday in GG on the flip with a massive lower wick. Oh, I've bought a Manchester City top. I don't even know which one I've bought though. I was on Gumball Rally and I just bought it when I was drunk. And I got De Bruyne on. I think it's coming today though, which is pretty cool. I also got some running trainers. Getting into the running, man. The running is what I... Oh, yeah. Yeah, I think running and, like, just some other things is really, really good. Just for discipline, man. Like, being able to just do a run and do, like, 5K and, like, set out to do it, I think is really, really good to do. Yeah, there's another thing in Jordan's book, which is what I'm on now, actually, at the moment, is the... don't tell kids to, like, who are skateboarding and who are, you know, doing all this kind of stuff to stop. Like, keep them, like, let them do it. Because it's... Well, actually, why people in the chat, why do you think maybe it's very good for a kid to do those kind of sports, you know, like skateboarding?
Really, you don't think it's good?
No, it is good. And I agree with Jordan, but I'm asking people maybe why. Why do you think it's good?
I think it's good because you test your limits and all the skills, you know, and the flares that you have inside.
Yeah, I agree.
Many things.
It was,
you know, like the ocean.
Yeah.
You start surfing.
Yeah, like surfing. Fall over and get back up, not going to be easy. Yeah, very, very true. Patience and repetition. Yeah. They fall over, get hurt, and try again. Yeah, it's like it's never giving up, innit? It's discipline, and also it's self accountability. Realistically, there, like if you play like, you know, if you play football or you play like these team sports, you can always blame something on someone else. Whereas if you're skateboarding or doing something just by you, there's no one to blame. You've got to be critical with yourself, but you don't be nasty because you're continuing, right? It's a good thing to have. A lot of people won't like a lot of people will give up with stuff like that, you know. They'll do a wrong trick and they'll hurt themselves and I'll sack this off, but it's because they don't have the discipline to keep at it. So it's good. It's a very, very...
Yeah, but it's good because it's you can practice, you know. More time you repeat the same, more possibility that you make it.
Yeah, and in life that's what it is, isn't it? I mean, if you know, the one ticket to failure is giving up. You know, if you give up, then the probability of you succeeding is 0. It's the only time. Whereas if you never give up, then there's always a chance. Always a chance. Oh, I love you.
But so, you know, sometimes it's not easy to motivate the kids to make a sport alone.
Yeah, I agree.
You know, in groups, sometimes it's more easy. Alone by himself is
harder. Yeah.
I try with my kids, but it's not easy.
No. I mean, GJ cells have to break if you're steady low. Ooh.
When I remember my young age, I think that I do too many things alone because I live in very far away.
Yeah, so you had to kind of do things alone. Some people just like alone things, some people don't, you know. My dad, we discussed this, my dad likes sports where you're by yourself. Like, he loves F1, he likes tennis. You You know, he likes all the racing ones. He doesn't really like group sports. You know, he likes being singular, which is interesting.
Yeah, I am the same. But this is good. This is good because you see the life when you older different. You see like a gladiator. You know, that you need to make because you want to stay alive.
Yeah. I need to change that night bot, don't I?
Like a trading.
Yep. Very true. Yeah, it's true.
I like it, these big candles.
Yeah, that W there wasn't bad actually at 638. You would have got something out of it. 12 pips, stop loss is 13. Yeah, it might go break even. Did break even get break even? Sorry, did Alohe get break even on yesterday's trade? No, he closed 40 pips. Yeah, maybe 40 pips or 20 pips, something like that. Definitely closed.
Yeah, 30 something. 30 something.
So for me here, again, this has happened so many times recently. Price is pushing up here, very, very bullish. I'm looking to take buys, obviously, in this area. However, we have already pushed loads. And what's tend to happen the past fucking 7 times I've got into gold is I've got in too early. So I'm going to, you know, let it do its thing here. Hopefully maybe make a celery, and then I can take the celery. Okay, still a lot of rejection there. Going to wait for the hourly to close. Hopefully we get some sort of, you know, maybe pullback. And then when we break the high, I'm going to take the high. Okay. Could you get in right now with the 15-minute stops? You could. I mean, how big would the stops be? Stops are 26 pips. The stops are pretty safe as well, to be honest. So if you want to be aggressive, you could do. Yeah, the stop's quite safe, to be honest with you. I'm quite liking the stop. Can check the 4 hour? Yeah. There's the 4R.
The other day I start freaking out with my magic key again. Because I forget that I need to open the magic key in the computer to work.
Oh, silly. Yeah, so you're a bit cautious of the 4 hour kind of zone here, a little bit of supports. The order block, how far is this? 20 pips to the order block. Kind of before the push, so this all level, yeah. We'll see. We'll see how the closure is. I'm gonna quickly go to the toilet, guys. Hope you guys are having a nice, beautiful morning. Yeah, we'll wait, Ferry. We'll see in the closure. I mean, there is a lot of rejections here anyway. And I do want to wait for this hourly, as I say. I think it's going to be a little bit easier for us.
60 pips.
It's
It's a little bit bigger, this stop loss, no?
It would be 28 pips. 30
really?
pips. Yeah.
For me, it's bigger.
Well, where's your stop?
47.
Yeah, exactly. My stop would be 50.7.
But I like that one.
No, use it then.
Look in this. Look in this big candle.
So yeah, I'm gonna wait for this hourly to close and all that kind of stuff.
It's 50 minutes, no? Yeah.
Yeah,
good choice.
50 minutes.
If he broke in this 53.43, is looking good for up. One more time, test the resistance, guys.
So we'll see how we react over here. Obviously, there is quite a lot of rejection wicks there, so I think, you know, waiting for lower wicks here is a good idea. But as I say, I'm just going to watch this hourly close. Won't take it on the 15? Nah, I'd rather wait for this hourly, because if the hourly closes above, it's looking a little bit nicer for us. Wow, look at GJ. Fuck, it completely faked out that area. Hopefully get themselves today. Looking at the 4 hour, the 4 hours just the daily's just reflipped, the 4 hours reflip bearish as well. Does have a lot of 4 hour support there, but once we start breaking, we're gonna start filling these ranges down here, which will be great. But yeah, in terms of the zone above, I think it's good, man. Clean up, clean up, clean up. It just needs a closure in the hourly for me. I got in GJ after the break of the 30-minute low. Very nice, well done. Stop loss like 28, you'd be up like 20 there. Very nice. I want something. Gold 1940 today. Ooh, looking for sells.
You streaming, no?
Yeah.
Put some likes, you know.
Put some likes in the chat, boy. I love Alice don't like to take responsibility for their actions because they didn't want to. That's very true, yeah.
Baby, go back.
Actually got the music taste of 90s kids, yeah. I'll just play a bit of Coldplay today. I fancy some relax. Body with some human gas.
Oh my god. What we do? We sell that one?
Well, Goldie, we're just waiting for this hourly to close. We'll see.
GJ, I tell GJ.
Yeah, we've got to wait. Still at 4 hours support.
Just if he broke in the 87, né?
181027, yeah.
27, yeah.
What would be the level you start looking at sells back in the zone? Well, for gold, I mean, anything close below, really. I mean,
you need to be true with the people. Gold, everything's possible.
yeah. I mean, if this candle closes strongly, makes top wick, reflips, breaks the low, then yeah, the fake out would be nice. Because overall here, if you look at structure, we're coming from high, lower high, lower high, lower lows, lower lows. So we are in a bearish trend, so the fake out makes sense. So yeah, you could look for the potential fake out over here as well. Because then the 30-minute wouldn't close above, the hourly wouldn't close above. And it could be just the daily making the top wick. So it makes sense. I think sells a little bit nicer than buys. We'll see how this closes. I'm kind of fluid with gold here. You know, if it rejects this zone and starts closing above, then we're going to get a drive here. If not, and we close bearish strongly, then yeah, we've got a 15 fake out. Hello, hey is in the chat. Daniel Savage is in a cell 181-315. Is he still like alive? I saw that on this thing that he's I don't know where the fuck he is.
Look at that candle, bro.
Which one?
Yeah, that DJ.
I know.
Oh man, 1 hour stronger candle. If he got broken right here.
How many times have we seen this recently where I just
50 times.
seen with gold, man, yesterday, just nutted straight after. It's mad.
Gold play ping pong all night, bro. Oh, fucking night.
I remember when I just started trading the signals, he lost 18% in 1 month. Oof. Damn.
My hate trade is 67, bro.
Your what?
My how I don't know how to say in English. Let me check. Check. My win rate is like 67.
Yeah, it's not bad, eh? Yeah, mine's like 69.
60, yeah,
no, mine's 68.
67.67.
Yeah. This would be Asian soup as well.
Today's day they pay bills here. Today is the day they see the money fly.
You are my universe and I just want to put you through.
Really? Damn, you're doing something wrong.
What?
Someone in the here lost 18%.
No, Daniel Savage. Apparently, he was in his group, and that's what they got. In 1 month. Yeah. That's pretty mad, bro. Could catch the high in the day, these gold cells, yeah, and this is obviously very, very clean as well, so we'll see how this 5 minute and 15 close, but yeah, if the 50-minute closes, next one makes a top wick, reflips, breaks the low, then yeah, the fake out's gonna be here. This is gonna be the first fake out in a long time.
I mean, all the time in the morning to bring my kids in the school is a fighting time, bro. Oh my God.
Hard work.
So lazy to put the clothes and drink the breakfast, everything. I remember that when I was young, and my mama said, drink the breakfast, put the fucking clothes. We are be quiet. We just do because she are too crazy. Anybody want to start the day like a fighting with the brother, you know?
So yeah, this is the Asian high. Obviously, we're faking it out. You know, so it looks good. We'll see. Obviously, if you close bullish above, then yeah, the fake out is not here yet. But we could wait for the 30 anyway. We'll see. GJ coming down. Wow.
I like both of them.
Yeah.
I don't think GJ is gonna close below though.
No. Not yet. Not yet, Kiko.
I definitely just fucking laid in bed an hour long.
Do you have an affiliate code with Magic Keys? Yeah, it's SLM. So looking at the 5 for targets, this is quite a nice level to go target after that push, to go retrace the push. 1949. BLM? Oh my god. So yeah, hopefully this next 8 o'clock candle will push up a little bit, then reflip, break the low, then I'll get into the sell there, stop loss above.
Hopefully.
Wanna tear me apart.
Wanna tear you apart?
If you do. Singing. You guys don't hear it.
No, I can hear it, but is that really the lyrics? I wanna tear you apart.
I think so. Maybe I'm singing it wrong.
Oh, retrace the whole move. Oh, that would be nice.
That would be good. Yeah, GJ still got a lot of support there, so we just gotta wait on GJ. But the GJ sells could be nice later on. Yeah. You're a sky, you're a sky full of stars.
You know when gold stay like that for a while, I stay far. If you don't do nothing, that's the best thing to do is waiting for she show some strong. Look at this guy, man.
Oh, come on, Goldie. It's nice though, it's a good fake out.
Like ping pong.
Yeah, play the ping pong range, boy.
Play the ping pong range, 47, 66 to 44.
Oh, come on. It's the last minute. Relax. Give me some pips for it.
No way. I know. He can go back now to the top.
Fucking hell, man. You know what I mean? 2 minutes before the closure. Fuck me.
Hey, I think it's better we start trade 1 minute, kind of.
Too right. Fucking actually might get some entries. Right, look at that. It's fucking miles away now. Stops huge. Nah, they're alright. 28 pips.
I think tonight I want to start doing 1 minute kind of like a binary option.
Soup, yes, Brian. I'm trying to get into this motherfucker, but it's pushed down. You should be in. It hasn't closed yet. On the 15, then on the 5. The star. Okay, so there we go. There's the push up. So I'm gonna get in on the reflip. Which is this here. Okay. So sell stop. Break of this low. Sorry, on the flip, stop loss is going to be above. And yeah, so nice. The Owlie's making the top wick. Hopefully, it should come up back up to 52.8, then reflip, and then you'll be good. And then target is going to be back down to here. Yeah, fill this wick. Sorry, fill that candle. This is the guy who's holding until 82 and how to trade. He closed 40 pips in profit.
I like this retracement.
Yeah. Well, because obviously now this is resisted, it should really tap here, retrace. Yeah. Boom. So we'll wait on that. Yeah, GJ's not there yet.
Smoking cigarette, mixing codeine up with a Finnegan. She got thick, but she wanna get thin again. Drinking apple cider vinegar, wearing skim, cause she wanna be Kim and them. Alright, I know they are bad, stop acting innocent. We ain't got generational wealth, it's only a year that I've had these millions.
Actually, need to change the bot. Yeah, I know. I'll do that today.
Now this gal want me and her uterus. Fuck it.
What price do you have for the sell stop? 951.15. 16.
I just put 9 gal in a sprinter. 100 eaters. It won't fit in one SUV. No.
SOS. Somebody rest. Nah, 951.2. Alright. Outside white, inside brown like Michael Jack. Could you use the current candle top wick? Yeah, you could. Will I use it? Yeah, I think I would. Because it's right at the resistance.
My hand in my hands.
Birth certificate.
Your boyfriend ran from that diamond test cause they weren't legitimate. She Turkish Cypriot, but her car's Brazilian. I want her. My bro wants her affiliate. I'm cheap, still hit a chick like, yo, can I borrow your Netflix? She a feminist, she think I'm sexist. Twisting my words, I think she dyslexic. Give me my space, I'm into
Nice, GJ. Coming down. Finally, some cells in GJ.
This ain't stainless steel, it's platinum. Dinner table, I got manners. T-shirt tucked in, napkin.
Mate, Tommy, I bang this tune. You don't know how many times I listen to the same song again and again. I wish Spotify could tell me. I probably listen. Oh my god. I probably listened to this song maybe 50 times yesterday. Took a look at these diamonds, run out of life is went and can't just step. I just put 9 gal in the sprint on.
100 eaters. It won't fit in one SUV. No.
SOS. Somebody rescue me. Too many minutes. But last 2 weeks.
Alright. Let's send the address through, please. Fire for a wife beat, I can't rock with that. I ain't wearing a vest. Man, have to send a
it's called Sprinter. A lot of just such a tune.
Hit a lick when cash converters that don't work is porno chess. I'm doing more and talking less. I love chilling with broke bitches, man, but one flight
and they're all impressed.
I'm in the G63. The car hugged me like a friend through twists and turns, man, living for Nyash.
Sprinter.
Don't know which one's worse. I'm fucked. Bags in his and
I
what's hers is hers, what's mine is too.
might start this retest of the retest for better entry, smaller tops. Yeah. Thing is, the stop for me now is only like 18 pips. It's not bad.
You wanna sell gold?
Sell stop here, yeah.
We're 51.
Yeah. Reflip.
51.20, no?
Yeah. I'll delete it if we break this high.
With a 5-minute candle on GG is 40 pips.
That's my bro. $19.53.
So you'll use same candle stops, right?
Yeah.
I might think.
Okay, so coming down here. As I said, I'm using current candle high because it's retesting the resistance. Shouldn't re-break that high. Okay. He entered. We know he did. It wasn't me who entered. I think it's someone else in the Zoom. I don't have that.
It was me. I activated magic keys.
Yeah.
Fucking losers.
Can you see though exactly where it's reacted off, which is great. 30 minutes going to flip, hopefully break the low of the previous. The hourly time frame is going to flip. And then hopefully the 4-hour reflip it. You fucked up my tendons. I got two. Yeah, down here. That's what I was thinking. 1949. I'll tell you when I'm in, guys, but it hasn't flipped yet. Bit of Mimi and Martin sofa.
To be honest with you, if I had a 5-minute closure below 15107, I'd be a lot more confident.
Yeah, she wanted to wait for maybe another 5. I'm happy with this. I'm not. Yes, as long as it breaks, reflips there, we should at least come to the lows, and it will be good. Just need to take some time.
Ooh, GJ.
Oof. Look at that.
Someone took those.
Yeah.
What's cool about trading is that everyone's just taking trades. Some are winning, some are losing.
Different entries, different strategies.
Exactly.
We haven't taken M&W in some time. Yeah, there's been a couple, but they've always been when I haven't really looked. Hit the bill, turn me to a superhero, yeah.
Don't like this sell goals, bro.
Don't take it then, my man.
I know. Anybody saying that I need to take. But I see, what do you see?
Just a fake out. Looks
Yeah.
like this.
Yeah, to be honest, I think I'm gonna wait for extra confirmations.
Yeah, like a 5.
What I don't like is how the 15-minute closed right at that level to the left.
Yeah, I see what you mean. Yeah.
So maybe I'll take the break of the 15-minute low.
Yeah, I was thinking that. I mean, how much would your stops be?
Yeah,
4 pip difference.
Yeah.
My stop is 1487. Is that one?
My stop
What?
loss is 1953.1.
53.1. Oh,
1-6, right?
3.1. All right. 16. There you go. You like a 50 pips?
18, 19 pips, yeah.
No. Right.
Do you know what, guys? I'm going to move it to the break of the 15 low.
Yeah, I think it's better, to be honest. Because you're already using same kind of stuff, so...
This is 51, no?
This is entry.
51, 5008. 5880, no?
Yeah.
What's up, Kiko?
What's up? Hello, hey. Que lo que? Oh my god,
Say
GJ.
hello to your ankle, man. Say good morning, ankle.
Good morning, good morning.
What you doing? You eat a bad candle yesterday night?
No, man.
No, man.
I'm only trying to eat good candles. I went to eat out at this Turkish place yesterday. Paid like 50 euros for 2 people. Bro, it was amazing.
50 euros for 2 people is normal food here in Portugal. Good place.
Yeah, I know, it's normal, but here it's not. Here it's like 100 plus.
Candles, bro.
Let's see what 15-minute close is like. Because then you might get like a 15-minute delivery.
Yeah.
We need to find a house in Albufeira today.
Yeah?
Yeah. We go for a couple of days, vacation.
Well, if I still had my home there, you could have stayed there, but
I'm good. I have a couple of friends up there. Just make some calls.
Did GJ hit an OB? What time frame is it on?
Oh, GJ fake out too.
Yeah, GJ is bro, gold London has been bad.
You know the 30 minutes gold looking up.
Yeah, it won't be if it breaks that low though. On the 50, if it breaks previous 30-minute lows, especially a candle like that, it normally nuts.
But
yeah, it is. I mean, if this closes above
1 hour looking the same.
and then 4 hour broke above the previous 4 hour high.
Exactly, Kiko.
Yeah, we need to see what happens here. This is like a important level. But I really do think if we start breaking below the definitely below the 30-minute lows, then we're coming down to mirror this candle to the left.
There's also an M here as well, which is forming.
Man, you know what I do?
What you wanna do?
What do you think that I wanna do?
Smoke a joint.
Exactly, Mr. Max. I wanna fucking roll a joint. Smoke my joint.
I want to roll a joint.
I wanna fucking roll a joint. Then you'll know where gold's going.
A bit of coffee, then you're one with gold. Then you know.
Exactly, because if ends low, gold's low together with me.
Okay, can you look at GJ, see what's happening? Like, what do you think? Where do you think we're going on GJ level?
I don't know about it. Thank you, Daniel. Thank you for showing some love.
So now the 15-minute close rejecting. The break of the low should be the previous.
Look what I found yesterday.
AirPods Pro. Oh, nice.
So I'm either thinking, guys, to wait for the 5 minutes to close below for an M, or just hold on right now. But the thing is,
I'm feeling bad because I found in the street and I pass and I say I wanna live there. If it's someone you lost, you wanna go back and take. And I walk 1 block, all the street, and I say, no, man, the people is not friendly like me. If someone see this iPhone, this iPhone, he wanna go back and grab. Say, okay, I wanna go back and grab.
At least you're honest, Eloy.
I try, but I be honest with myself too. I say, not all the ones like me, you know.
You need to be loyal to yourself. That's what you need to be loyal to.
Exactly. And I say, I don't feel bad. All right. And when I go home, I talk to my wife, and my wife say, oh, but you can buy that. But why do you take it? I see. If I don't take, all the one take.
Right, I think I'm gonna delete this now and wait for this 30 to close.
Yeah, I think that's a
Wait.
good.
Thank you, Max.
I'm not really sold on it, to be honest.
You don't need to take
I still
it.
am. I
Hey,
still
Max,
like it.
you don't need to take.
I still like the fake out. It's just maybe this.
No,
15
I
is a little
like
bit
the
annoying.
fake out, but I need more confirmations.
Man,
Yeah, we
I
can
like
wait-
the
we
fake
can wait
out,
for the
but
5.
it's just one more fake out, bro.
The thing is, the fucking fake outs and shit, they haven't been that satisfying lately. That was those moves happened when I joined the mentorship, like fucking fake outs in London session, ride the whole range down, fucking easy.
Yes, sir.
Thinking I'm gonna be a millionaire within 2 months.
Oh, in one trade. You one trade, I wanna buy a Lambo.
Exactly. Like Raja. I'll just buy a G-Wagon and a Porsche in the same week.
Look, I buy a new Challenger yesterday.
Yeah?
Yeah, because
What, 200K?
Yeah, if you have a 200K, I can mix both ones, correct?
I don't know.
Yeah, I think so.
You can on your thing.
I ask already. The guys say yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, we play with one, we make money with the other one, and if we make it, we mix one, we have 200, and I shit money.
Shit money?
If I have a 200 account, man, I shit money.
Yeah, it told me we deleted, bro. We deleted. We're gonna just wait a little bit longer. It seems to be holding this level, and if you look at the 15, there is a little minor support there now here. And I kind of wanted the drive. We seem to be holding. And obviously, things are still bullish. 30-minute didn't really close, so we can wait for this 30 to close here. So we just gotta wait a little longer. Wow, look at that GJ, man. Did Brian take the buys on GJ? He is a fucking weapon.
Hey guys, look. I have a challenge for you guys.
What?
Let's see if you guys got it.
Oh, Lord.
Oh, wow. That's pretty good, to be fair. I'd struggle doing that now.
What?
You don't see it, Kiko?
Wait, I'm on my phone. Wait, how the fuck do I change this?
We need to do again. You kill me.
Oh, yeah, okay. Go ahead. Oh, what an athlete.
Fucking hell, your leg is straight as well. Fuck me. I'll struggle doing that. Holy
He's
fuck.
a surfer. And Louis is an athlete. He's like McGregor.
With a beer in the hands. I can do.
Okay, gold. Okay. I see what you're doing. Nothing.
Yeah, it's just hovering around this.
It's gonna be buys, boys. It's gonna be buys. I'm telling you now.
Man, it's normal. He's going to 72.
Brian's already in buys, so I'm gonna get in buys, guys.
No,
I
really,
want a little
Brian.
bit more higher closure. 53.5.
Did Brian already taken by it?
On GJ.
GJ. Brian is a sniper, bro.
Yeah, I think Brian sees the fucking market as bitch. Like, it's fucking, yeah, man, I'll just buy here because I know the 5 minutes just closed bullish. And
man, Brian trade NAS. NAS for me is fucking crazy.
You can put the stream anytime the guys talking. Man, we're just chilling though. We're just waiting on. I mean, the goalie here is doing exactly what it's done the past. Well, how many times has it done this recently? It runs up fucking 80 pips and it ranges until at 8 o'clock. It's done that like 7 times now. So that's why I'm kind of not jumping into this at any time soon. I'm just gonna wait a little bit longer.
Yeah.
So yeah, we'll see. 8 minutes left for this 30-minute closure. It's gonna tell us a little bit more. If you close above 53, then you know it'll be good to continue.
Yeah. Then we're good.
Yeah.
I like the buys more than I like the sells. Yeah.
Look at that push.
And look on the 15, right? What are we doing on the 15?
Looking golden, guys.
that wick.
If he cross that, I buy it.
Yeah, and we have clean candles as well. Clean candles. But look on the 15, we literally just came back down, retested this support, and fucking pushing up now.
This happened a lot when I start rolling, gold, feeling the love. Feeling the love.
You're saying M formation.
Okay.
Oh,
Let's
like up here. Yeah,
make
rejects.
this happen.
We'll see how this closes, because closes above, you got to buy. If it comes up, rejects again, and closes below, I'm going to take the sells back in as well. So W formations need to be at a low, guys. So W formations, I'd look at, like around here. W here could be a little bit. I mean, it's still at the support.
That'll be a little bit sketchy,
Yeah, just wait for the closure.
Yeah.
Okay, got 8 minutes left. I'm just gonna make Caitlin a cup of tea for a morning. 1 sec.
What a gentleman. When was the last time you made a cup of tea, Aloe?
I drink a tea today.
No, for your wife, for your girl.
Make a tea for what? For my girl?
Yeah.
I make coffee today in the morning.
Okay. Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, man. If it's girl, I don't have a problem to make any.
Oh, what? So what? You wouldn't make a coffee for me? Come on, man. What's this?
I don't know, man. If
You're a grown man.
If yeah, you're a grown man. But if we have a surf trip together and wake up early,
maybe then.
I'm good guy, man. If I wake up early, I make a breakfast for everybody,
Oh, damn, bro, that's nice.
I like to cook. I like to normal things. But
you got hands right, Chico.
But if you
bro, you got hands
off,
and feet, bro.
If you piss me off around the day, maybe you don't eat in the night.
No food.
Food. What do you do? You learn it with the cheesecake? No cheesecake.
No cheesecake.
But
listen. Okay, so what would you want to happen on gold to enter? A 5-minute closure above, or just a 30-minute to close above?
I wanna take this out.
Because you know what I think could happen? I think this 30 minute doesn't close above, and then the next 30 minutes just fucking.
Oh my god! Look at that.
Yeah.
Look in the 30 minutes candle.
Yeah, I see it.
I like it. But I like it just if he crossed the 54.
54?
54.46 is my line.
54.46. So like above that wick to the left.
Yeah, but you need a big stop loss.
Yeah.
My stop loss right now is 51. I feel more confident with 50 pips.
You're expecting to fill that whole range to the left, right?
Man, he testing already many times. He need to broke it. Gold one test too much, he broke it. I tried to rolling a little once, but I can't, bro. Look in that one.
Looks like a bala.
I try. I know it's lean feet, but it's very lean long.
If this 30-minute doesn't close above, I'm gonna have a buy stop above 154.23.
If he closed 30 minutes strong candle like a 53, is looking good too. What's up, David? David Alonso.
What's up? I was also, like Kiko said, lying in bed.
Nothing was happening.
Man. It's lazy time. The people are in Aspen, take vacations. They drink Chardonnay
Dom Perignon.
with hot women behind. I know the feeling. I do this before.
This is interesting to me. The reason this is interesting to me because if you look on the 4 hour, we are rejecting hard from this level.
Today the people in the chat don't piss you off too much.
Yeah.
People don't like my charisma.
He contradicted himself so hard when he said that yesterday.
What?
He said valueless people, but said, "Oh, it doesn't mean I can't learn anything." I was like, "Bro, what the fuck are you saying?"
I don't know, man. I can make everybody happy, you know.
You're not Jesus, you know. You're not Jesus.
I know. But you know, but the other couple ones like my face. It's weird like my face because I have an ugly face, you know. But you know, today the girls like the different things.
Yeah, they like surfers.
If you are too perfect, you like the other side.
Go in this fucking direction, my god.
Yeah, I'm gonna tell you what's gonna happen. Yeah, this 30 minutes gonna close exactly like this, and then we're gonna get no bottom wick. It's just gonna fill the range.
And that is what I tell. Oh, look at
But
that.
I don't know if I would want to have a stop loss, a buy stop above this wick that's gonna try and break, or above the wick to the left. But then my stop loss is a bit too big.
Let's see the wick candle.
I'm waiting for this fucking M.
Oh my god, this is looking dirty.
You believe in an M, don't you?
Come on.
To be honest with you, if you look at the weekly,
yeah, the weekly looking dirty.
Yeah, it's looking more buys than but yeah, there's a
you know the
shift.
weekly looking dirty, and he don't test the 50% already.
How is the weekly looking buys? Bearish.
No, don't look
at the rejections.
Yeah, that's true. But it's just been ranging as fuck.
And the day candle looking bad too.
Okay, 10 seconds.
Wait, does this 4 hour have no bottom wick? Wait.
Yeah, but look at the 4 hours. What do you think, boss?
I don't think the higher time frames tell me much, to be honest. The daily could just be making the top wick. The 4 hour time frame is broken the high, but the zone to the support is pretty nice. 1940. Just retesting the previous zone right here. So I don't know.
If he closed 54, he looking good.
Yeah. I don't like it on the higher time frames, but on the lower, yeah, on the 30 it looks good for sure. So closure above, no bottom wick.
It's a good buy.
You're right.
A good buy. My stop is 59.6.
59.6.
Let's see what's happened.
Kiko, you're right. No bottom wick. Nice.
Yeah, it was.
Didn't close above for me, so it's nothing that I can look at. Didn't close above the previous resistance. Didn't close above the 30-minute support. So I'm not playing. I'm not playing. So the only thing that I can really see here is if we reject here and make it the M. If it breaks up, great. Didn't close above. No bottom wick. How many no bottom wicks has there been this month? Oh my god. I think
okay, boys, I'm gonna go to work.
All good, all good.
See you in a bit.
See you there, brother.
See you, buddy.
Make sure you like the stream, guys. Let's try and get to 200 likes. I've never had 200 likes before. That'd be amazing. My birthday yesterday. You and Dr. Dollar said the same thing at the same time. Wait, what? What did Dr. Dollar say? Oh, that didn't close above? Yes, sir. It's just simple, though, you know? Just look at the 30, man. You want to be above this zone. We're not above it. We're just holding the support.
Yeah, we need to. You need to wait, no, Max.
Yeah. Look, if we know that this is the level that's very, very important for us, right? It's a very, very important level because it held support before. It's held support there. It's held support there. It's had rejection wicks. It's had held resistance there. Here now, if I'm at this place again, the only data that I have is that we've rejected here before if we're below it by there and there. Okay? If we get above it and hold it as support, then we should drive. But we haven't. We've closed below it. So there's no trade for me to take. Now, if this runs up 300 pips, that's great. I can't take the trade. It doesn't make sense to me. It's still below. Okay? And at any point, this can reject, flip this low again, then give me the M, and then I'm going to take the M. If it continues up, though, that's great. Sometimes you just got to, you know, be logical with it and look at, actually, do you really want to take this trade? Does it make sense on all the time frames? Like the same thing with GJ, right? The GJ sells, I know some people are getting in here, wow, whatever, but look, this is the zone that I wanted price to close below. Why? Well, because I know once we get below this level, we've got a wick to go break even, which is like 20 pips. And actually, we've just got a nice push to go retest a previous level. Price loves to go retest when it breaks out of zones, you know? When it breaks, it likes to go retest, and then it's to continue. And it hasn't retested this level yet. So this zone should fill very quickly. When you want to...
But look, what do you think about the... Sorry to interrupt you. Look, the 50-minute candle go. If he goes to up 54.40, is a good buyer, correct?
Yeah. I mean, you could...
Is it a strong W or not?
Yeah, I think if the 15 closed above, it needs to have a bottom wick though here. Just to see how it closes. But yeah, if the only thing that you've got an issue for as well is that you're coming towards this massive order block here. And that zone is quite small.
What is that, 57 or 58?
55 is a start of an order block, which is going to push to you now.
Okay.
It's pushing up a bit now, needs structure now. Yeah, whatever. No
Yeah,
bottom.
You think it's better if he close like a 58 and buy it?
I think I wanted to buy above 53. That's all it was. Right, buy above 53. We haven't closed above. We just pushed. 58. No, there's a load of resistance here. Can't take buys there. The only zone that I wanted is from there to there, because this moves quick, which is what you'll probably see here. It didn't close above. This month there's no value of bottom or top wicks. Just run without it. Yeah, I agree. Okay. Being able to sit moves out is the hardest skill. Yeah, I agree.
We wait for he coming back and buy it.
I don't know yet. All I know is I wanted to buy above here. It's going to 59.60. Yeah, should get to fill this zone up to 59.60. Yeah. There is a little bit of rejection here, though, with that order block. Let's look at GJ. Nothing. Right away. Do it. How many pips moved that bastard? I know. Look, Owlie's got no bottom wick as well. Fuck off. Hey Max, hypothetically, would you enter the current 30 if it made a bottom wick? No. This now, for me, is what I want to be in. I want to be in this move. Anything else now is Fugazi. I can't... You know what I mean? Like, you need to remember, this is where I wanted to get in. This is where I want to close. We're already halfway in. You know, I couldn't get an entry because we didn't close above, and we had no bottom wick at the 30. So, that's the trade done. When people start saying, oh, Max, you know, if this candle makes the low wick and then, you know, flips... Nah, I need the push. This is the instant push. Now it's, you know, down to the price to continue to fill the zone. I want to get in at the start of the zone and not like in the middle of it. I was looking at the 5-minute closure, no bottom wick. Yeah, just fucking no bottom wick. Literally, Kiko literally said this, that he's going to close not above and then break the highs with no bottom wick. He's right. He was completely correct. Why didn't you get in after the W formation? I don't know where this W is. What are you guys talking about? This one here? Because it wasn't at support really. It was from it wasn't from a low. And I like taking W's here. I like taking W's here when we're coming down, not up. Close with 20 pips, very nice. Well done, well done. I just closed my buy on gold, GJ and GU all buy. Very nice. It's an emergency. So yeah, we just gotta be patient over here. Still no bottom wicks. It still has, 22 minutes to make this lower wick. So if you are in buys now, take a look. Have you touched the hourly? Yeah. So if you were in a trade there and you got that initial push, I think closing some there was reasonable. If you got a decent R to R, then just leave maybe a little runner. Yeah, maybe 25 pips, not bad. Fucking no lower wick.
Nice trade, bro.
Yeah, nice push. And
we talked about that trade today in the morning.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You know that I'm feeling good when we see the trade and we don't take, no problem, but we see the trade.
Exactly. But that's the good thing about the group and speaking with loads of people. You get the whole analysis, and people will enter. Like I think from here, Salam's probably in. Some people do take these trades. It's just how they feel comfortable with the entry. I'm just so used to not taking trades with bottom wicks. It's just a complete not. And also, this didn't close above, so it wasn't even a trade for me to take. 15 didn't close above anyway, exactly. So I couldn't have taken this. I need your love right away.
Serving the analysis and everything, I feel that it also helps you to fight against FOMO.
Yeah. Like I know that this, we did the analysis today. We know that from here to here is going to be quite nice, and then obviously you might not have got the entry, but the push is good. But you know that you wanted to get in around here, not here, so that's fine. You just leave it.
But look, for me, if I know it's a big number, but if he closed the 61 stronger, is a new way to go up again.
Yeah, it's like what we took those buys there on Friday. Yeah, 61 to 66. I can't look back on that Friday day. Fucking bastard. Piece of shit. And then later on the buys above, like 70. Get wick to 73, and then maybe furthermore 82. Yeah, just one of those you got to stick to the plan about, because instead of pushing it, you could do the opposite and then regret it. Yeah. Well, it's like that impulse that I took on Friday.
You could buy a dog.
Kiko got in.
Yeah, Kiko, good.
Yeah, that's true. It's pushing. Also, obviously, because it's pushing at the start of the candle, it's still got so much time left, and yeah, it may make the lower wick here and fake out. I'm down. All the way down. What was I gonna check? Oh yeah, my shoes coming. Yeah, I've got some hockers. Apparently, people say hockers are good for running, so I got some Hawkers.
Ay, ay.
Let's take a look at dollar. Let's say hi to dollar.
Positions on a negative trade, yep. But martingale layer. Martingale layer simply buying with bigger lots under drawdown load. No, yeah, I know what martingale is, fuckers. I don't know what martingale layer is.
Yeah.
The guys in the chat are well funny.
He talked too good.
Make my so yeah, looking like it's maybe a little bit relaxing, but it has just touched his hourly, so if you did get in, make sure to close some in there. Yeah, no simulation today. We're starting the sims tomorrow. We'll do Wednesday and Thursday. And yeah, I'm going to do a higher time frame webinar. Oh, very nice. Kiko got in. Yeah, I'm going to go through the higher time frames, because I think I haven't gone through the higher time frames, but because I'm just so used to it now. But you've got to be able to know where the higher time frames are going. Especially with these M's and W's, you start seeing supports more, and it's good to see the higher time frames. Obviously, it's all in the webinars. For people that are new in the mentorship as well, make sure to go to the pinned message and go to the G Drive link. A lot of people haven't done that yet and haven't got access to the content. Go there and then press to get access, and then I'll add you. Why the fuck does it say 2,000 people? Ah, because it was ages ago. It says 2,000 people have seen my fucking link. God damn. If I had a little money. Ooh, GJ sells its supply. Very nice. Yeah,
you know, I have a template here, the 15-minute lines that I make in gold. He respect so much the lines. All the time that he broke one, he touched the other one.
Really?
I take a photo. I put your photo in the Telegram group. I don't look too much that one, but
yeah, beautiful. Yeah, just following it up, you know, it made some support there. That's what we were kind of worried for, weren't we, with the fake out?
And I don't want to lie to you. I want to tell you right now. I do many times that, Max. Sometimes I take the big trade, you know.
Yeah,
if you see, it's like a 50 pips. My stop loss, which I take for the bottom and cross the number 3 line and 2 levels after.
Yeah. By the support, boy.
That is what he wanna do right now. He wanna go to the 61 again.
It's just like a ping pong. It's been ping pong all fucking month. Ping pong, ping pong. I just want to take a trade, man. It's been a while. It's Friday.
Ah, bro.
A fucking lower weights, man.
In 2 days more, it'll be a while.
Yeah, exactly.
But you know, I think sometimes when we take, I take 3 loss. The other day,
Friday.
I tell you that I do it by myself one.
Yeah.
And right now I'm feeling good to take another one. We take like a 3 days, don't trade. I traded yesterday, you know, but
yeah,
my trade yesterday don't do it well. Just go back.
Very slow yesterday, man. Bank holiday. Look at this 15, breaking the high again, no bottom wick. Oh my god. $19.58. Be a runner target. The runner target. Let's take a look at Wordle. Hello, did you close yesterday? Yeah, he did. He closed.
Yeah, it goes 35, 37 pips.
Yeah.
Because I see, I don't know what time of candle I see, but I see 3 reds kind of little candles go down. And I don't hold. I'd be a cook, but a smart cook.
Brown.
I'm gonna take a buy now.
Why did I just do an L there? Am I retarded? You want to take a buy now? All the moves done, bro. I couldn't get any entry on gold this morning. The W down there might have been alright. It's 6:30. Literally the second I start the stream, the fucking trade happens. But anyway, you would have got maybe a break even there. And then here, yeah, we just didn't close above.
He looking good. He looking good, bro.
Back to the highs again.
These next ones is when I jump 20 pips. This next candle. If he's go up.
Oh, teasing it as well. I think it's route. Is that a word? At this stage, we're not looking to buy because the move has already been done. I agree. Frost, that's it. Yes, Stevie boy smashed it. Frost. Yeah, man. You know, we know that this move here was going to be clean. It's just the closure and anticipation. You know, this 15 just closed above there. Then I would be more inclined to have taken it, but it didn't. Did Brian catch this move? I don't know. Probably. If I had to guess. Nah, there's no lower wicks, and Brian likes lower wicks as well, so I don't think he could have got in unless he got in on the 5s. You know he likes lower wicks as well. And this 30 didn't close above, so it's not actually a trade I could have taken. It's just nice that the zone pushed good. So this is what you got to say, you know, it's not what you wanted to have taken because it didn't close above for me, but the zone is how I expected it to move, and that's perfect. What's the difference between EJ? EJ looks like this. EJ, you just need to wait for clean zones on EJ. It's quite choppy when it doesn't trend, but when it trends, you can get some nice trades. Yeah. Yeah, the M needs to come higher up. The retest would only be there though. It's very small. It needs to come higher up. The trend is already bullish. It needs to be a little bit higher, like 58. Let's see. EJ and GJ look identical. Yeah, they do a lot of the time, but sometimes they don't. So I wouldn't just base it. But to be fair, actually, no. When we trade EJ and GJ, like we do go right. GJ's pushing, EJ's probably gonna follow. So they do have a big correlation. But I wouldn't just base your whole trade off that, you know. You need a bit more to it. Yeah. I don't know, man. It's pretty bullish. It's not at the highs. That's my only issue. The only issue is that it's not here. Yeah, but look. Nah, but we're not there though, are we? We haven't pushed to here. So this zone could still fill first. I don't know. I don't like it. Yeah, I see a trend. I don't know. You go for it though. I think you can maybe get to the flip. 15's gonna make a lower wick. Is this one of the worst months for results? Yeah, but I also haven't been here for half of it, so it's not really an accurate representation. I've been gone for most of this month, to be honest. It'd be a 17, 18 pip stop. There'd be like 15. See how it goes. Andrew Tate is looking to sell gold now. Oh my god. Mr. Tate.
What do you say, Max, about do sell gold right now?
Yeah, someone's looking for an M here. I see it. No, there's an M there. There is. It's just maybe not as high as I'd want it. And the retest is only there. It's very small. But you could go break even to the retest, so it's still an opportunity. You also have hourly level with you, but I don't know. It's just broken above this zone. I think this zone should fill. It's done that every single time. So my issue is it's not at a resistance, and the retest is very, very close. Yeah, it is 1 hour OB2, 100%. Not to a million, and we all reach. That's just how I feel. But if I just look at the candles that have came up before, we've pushed all the way. We've pushed all the way back up. We pushed all the way up to here. So the zone hasn't filled yet. So I think it'd be a little bit risky. But there you go. There's the see how it goes. I'll wait till MI have a good one. Squad, stay safe. See you later, Scarlet. Yeah, we're still chilling over here. But analysis for today with the goal was good. Well done for people who tried to get in or even just saw it.
Couple ones look to sell, other ones look to buy.
That's trading for you. Fed will always manipulate you. I don't think they come out. I don't think they come out and actually manipulate us. Why would they do that? I think they've got other stuff on their hand.
In 15, the day 15, he broke this for up. He go back again the 16, 3, 4 times. And now he broke again to up.
Yeah, I should fill his zone.
He never tested the 50% of the news.
Yeah.
The big one that I say, the 15.
GJ is not moving at all. GJ is hovering between the 4-hour and the daily. So it's still not really direction. It's still huge level of support. It's still holding. Still getting propped up by the Japanese. I will wait till NY have a good one. Yeah. So yeah, I think, you know, 9 o'clock now. The hourly's closing on Goldie. It's done that move that we wanted, just not in the way we wanted to with the closure. So I think the best thing to do now is maybe wait a little bit longer for GJ sells, you know, for the gold sells, I think later on if we start rejecting here, which we kind of are already. Sells below 1945 or sells below 1939. I think that'll be great. But right now, yeah, I think there's a... It's still ranging in these zones, you know. I think you just got to play... Also, the reason why it's quite hard right now is because we're not at a high or we're not at a low, you know. If you look at the 4-hour, right, this is the high. This is the lows. So it's quite hard to trade because you're just right in the middle. You know, it's hovering between the middles. So that's why it's maybe a little bit harder to find the direction. But we discussed the buys here from 53 to, you know, 58. We got a nice push there, just no bottom wick and no closure. But yeah, great conversations today, guys. Lovely stuff. Again, remember to say every single day what you're grateful for having. For me today, it's definitely my eyes, man. If you don't have no eyes, god dang. You know, make sure to always remember. There could be a day where you can never see again. So, yeah, thank you so much for coming on, guys. We'll see you guys later on. We'll start stream at like 12. See what NY has. Obviously, it's back after the bank holiday, so it should be quite aggressive. So we'll see you guys there. Peace out, guys. Thank you so much for coming on. See you in the next one. Adios. See you later, YouTube. See you later, Zoom. Peace out. See you later, squad. Still waiting. Be patient. Adios. See you later, alligator. If it lets me go. There we go. See you later, YouTube. Thank you so much for coming on. We'll see you guys in the next one. I'll have a great day. Peace out, guys. Adios.